Hello everyone. What I'm going to explain is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so there's nothing to worry about. This can be fixed. If the message "engine power is reduced" appears on your Chevy Malibu, don't panic. Your car is basically saying, "Hey, something's not right, so I'm reducing my power to protect myself." It's the car's way of protecting the engine or transmission, which is why you'll notice limited acceleration and can't push the pedal like usual. The first thing many owners find is that the accelerator pedal or the sensor controlling it, the APP sensor, might be failing. The computer receives confusing signals and decides to limit power to protect the engine. Several mechanics report that restarting the car by turning it off for a few minutes can temporarily clear the message, but if the sensor is damaged, the problem comes back. Another common cause is dirt in the throttle body. Over time, carbon and grime build up, blocking sensor readings and confusing the computer. Many mechanics have solved the issue by cleaning the throttle body, and suddenly the message disappears like magic. In newer turbo models, a disconnected or damaged intercooler or charge air cooler tube can also cause the engine to not get the correct airflow. This makes the ECU think something is wrong and triggers reduced power mode. Checking that all tubes are properly connected and sealed usually fixes this issue. Of course, we can't forget the mass airflow, MAF sensor, or other engine sensors. If any of these send incorrect information, the computer limits power for safety. Some mechanics report that cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor permanently solved the message. Finally, if none of this works, it could be an electrical or software issue in the engine computer or ECM. Some Malibu models of certain years had errors that GM corrected through software updates. In these cases, a scan with an OBD2 tool and, if needed, intervention from a dealership or specialized shop is the solution.